here today, Northeast Texas. Look at that. Is it the lip of a storm front? It's got churning and twirling going on. Lots of lightning. Oh, she's a beauty. Kinda looks angry. Oh my, oh my. No really strong winds and no tornado reports have gone out over my phone yet. Alright, I'll come back in a little bit. Well, I found myself some cover here underneath this canopy so I can take some video. And again, I'm not really one into taking risks. There's not been any strong winds or anything to directly indicate tornadic activity or anything, so just a thunderstorm. Just a good Northeast Texas thunderstorm, that's all. I guess there are some waves of rain that are coming, sheets of rain that are coming down a little bit harder. There was a lot of lightning hitting off in this area right around here a second ago. There goes a little bit up in the clouds. And there was one bolt that came down right here, right as I was pulling in and getting situated right here. But I don't know if we'll get to see any lightning here on video or not. There's some lightning going right there. The wind's starting to blow the rain even underneath the canopy here, so I'm not going to stay here too much longer. Hopefully we'll get a good strike before I head out. A little bit right there up in the clouds. I'm not sure where that came from, if that was from over me or what, or behind me, there to the left. Well, the wind's really starting to blow the rain under over here. The rain coming down now. Lightning's hitting all the way around, but I'm not getting any good bolts. I'm not capturing the bolts. It's either just up in the clouds, or it's hitting behind me, or just kind of too far off. There goes another one. gotten. The rain is really coming down strong now. Lightning is still hitting pretty good. And I'm going to head out. Oh wow, did you hear that? That one hit close. That one hit super close. I don't know if that one blew out a transformer or what, but I heard kind of like a ricochet sound. Yep, time I mosey on. Y'all have a good one. Thanks for joining me. Y'all take care. We'll see you next time.